While it seems easy to hold a chainsaw, before you start it, make sure you understand how to hold a chainsaw to operate safely and efficiently. This is Chainsaw Safety with Clemson University, and I am your training instructor, Patrick Hiesel. And today we are going to learn about holding the chainsaw. To properly hold your chainsaw, make sure your right hand goes onto the rear handlebar and make sure your trigger finger sits behind the throttle trigger. And your left hand holds the top handlebar with the thumb underneath the handlebar. If your thumb is not underneath the handlebar and a kickback situation happens, it is very easy for the chainsaw to slip out of your grip, and then you have a chainsaw that is no longer under your control. Chainsaws are made for right-handed use. There are no chainsaws made for left-handed use. While you can buy handlebars that wrap around the other side of a chainsaw, all the safety features that we talked about earlier are designed for right-handed use. Another reason why you should have your thumb underneath the top handlebar is so that you can easily engage and disengage the chain brake on your chainsaw. So whenever you're done making a cut, make sure you have a loose grip on the top handlebar and then move your wrist forward against the front handguard until you hear the click to engage the chain brake. Now your chain can no longer spin and you're free to walk around, move to the next spot where you want to make a cut. When you're at your spot where you want to make a cut, you get into a good position, get a firm footing, a good stance, and then again, loosen the grip on the top handlebar, hook your thumb underneath the top handlebar, move all 4 fingers forward, grab the front handguard, pull it back towards you until you hear the click, and then get another firm grip on the top handlebar. By engaging the chain brake after you're done with a cut, you ensure that you cannot accidentally cut yourself when you walk and maybe trip or squeeze the trigger by accident.